family, just wanted to come to you and talk to you for a second, man, about something that was on my mind. Actually, just wanted to vent a little bit. It's crazy, man. The way these laws are set up, man. It's literally a catch-22. But if you didn't know, Nevada has passed a law where they can't ask you about drug testing on the application as far as like marijuana. It's legal. It's medical. But you have these different companies around the globe. They want you to be perfect on their job. On their job. Now these folks getting high as hell. Man, I can't tell you how many job sites I have seen supervisors nose off. They on them fucking drugs. They on this. But they want to judge you because you say you smoke marijuana when you get off. You got a card. Man, that's some bullshit, man. I'm going to keep it real with you, man. I can't wait till the infrastructure of that shit just falls down and crumble on their ass because majority of people don't want to take no fucking opiums and fucking heroin-based and meth-based medications to help them with their issues. Hell no, we don't want that shit. We don't want to get more addicted. Then you got another program. Oh, you call 1-800, we can help you get off of this. Hell no, we don't want that shit no more. So I can't wait, bro. I'm going to keep it real. When this fucking infrastructure of the way they do jobs and employees and hiring people, I can't wait till that shit fall under. Because these companies, man, some of them got the big head. They want you to be fucking perfect. And while they doing anything, but then they hire these people out there. You like, damn, what the fuck are they on? It just, bro, that shit's frustrating. You know what I mean? And I ain't gonna lie to you. Every company that tend to try to judge and want a person to be perfect. Now, you can come, bro, I just seen this. I know some guys that go to work, smoke bud when they get off. They go do a damn good job. Bro, we so fire what we do. They be like, damn, I wish I could duplicate you. Then they say, oh, you smoke weed. Then they look at you wrong. Oh, well, but damn, he on opiums. He's fucking falling asleep on the forklift. On the lift. Picking up fucking metal. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, damn, you got to be fucking kidding me, man. But this is what we dealing with out here, bro. It's a catch-22. And that's why I thrive and say, be independent. Start an LLC. Fuck these companies, man. Use their ass to start your business. Use their ass to get your money up, education up, and go legit, man. Go independent. Start your own thing because you ain't got no limitations, man. You can still eat, provide a good service, provide a good product, and you live your life. Why are you gonna work for somebody that's gonna control what you do on the job and off the fucking job? And you ain't even making no fucking money. Come on, man. Hey, man, it's time to wake up from that bullshit, man. Fuck these companies, man, with that bullshit. You know what I mean? I'm gonna keep it real with you. I can't stand that shit. You know what I mean? Because they try to prejudge you or want to have you in a box so that way they can say, oh, we got these people. Oh, everybody's perfect. Fuck them. They ain't even perfect. They fucking you out your money and some more shit. You see what I'm saying? So I would say this, man. 2020, let's use these fucking companies to get our bag, to invest in our independent businesses, and let's sell them services. Oh, they don't want to hire nobody they don't want to hire, okay, then we gonna come up with a whole fucking team of certified welders or certified installers, and we gonna contract them out to us, because at the end of the day, they got to have the workers to do the job. They ain't gonna get these big ass bids. They got the money to do that. They got the coverage and the funds to do them. But they ain't got the people, the certified people to go out there and do this shit on time, right, where you ain't got to constantly lose money. That's where they losing at. So let's fuck them. Let's come together, form our own independent union where we come through and we help you do your job. It is just a contract. It don't matter what we do at home. It matters what we do in this fucking job. We get this shit done, everything past inspection, and we on to the next. That's what it matters, bro. That's what we got to do. We got to come together and build our own independent union. Not no fucking union where people fucking one another, someone at the top eating all the money. Nah, we just stick together and we come up with a team where we make sure everybody's eating, everybody's getting paid due to their qualifications and skill set on what they put inside the, you know what I'm saying, what they put inside the bucket. You know what I mean? But the rest of this shit, bro, we got to break the chains, man. If not, they gonna keep doing this shit. They gonna keep doing it. As long as we allow them to step on us, they gonna keep stepping. So, get tired of that shit, man. Start your own thing. Learn how to do it from watching them. That's what I did. Remember what they doing. Get the business game down. So that way you can do it on your own. Pay for what you need. Don't be scared to spend your money. And go on and get out this fucking trick bag, man, they trying to keep us in. All gone.